Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about how to find jobs in high paying countries and how to get work permit in those countries. To know how to travel and earn in those high paying countries, watch my video on best way to travel and earn, whose link I have mentioned in the description. So these are the highest paying countries and savings you can make in those countries. So let's get to the details on how to find jobs in those countries. For Qatar and Kuwait, there is something called a sponsorer. A sponsorer is someone from their country who is willing to provide you with job. So to find jobs in this country, all you have to do is visit websites like naukrigulf.com, jobsinqatar.com, send the employee your resume. After you get the job, he will apply for your work permit in the Ministry for Social Care and Laborer and send you the copy of work permit. The country's ministry also sends the copy of your work permit to their embassy branch in your country. So go to the embassy along with the work permit and passport, medical certificate, and get your entry pass. Later, the sponsorer will complete the process by submitting you documents along with his at the airport customs. When you reach their country, there are also many agents who can do all this process for you. Previously, people had fear of working in those countries, fearing domination. But the country has made some strict rules regarding the immigrant workers, which protects us in every way possible. So be fearless and don't miss an opportunity to work there. To find jobs in Schenigen countries, find jobs in websites like indeed.com, dicejob.com. After finding the job, you have to apply your resume to the employer, and after the employer accepts your resume, make sure you get your copy of job contract and his letter quoting job vacancy in his company and your selection for the post. Later, apply for working visa online in the Schenigen website. Take the printout of the application to the embassy along with documents I have mentioned on the screen and apply for working visa. Make sure you apply 2 months before you plan to go there. For countries like Australia, New Zealand, people with travel visa are also eligible for work. This is called working travel visa and is valid for India, USA and Schengen country citizens. Hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.